Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm revisiting a couple old videos I made about how to put hashtags above your title on YouTube. This comes in response to a comment I got on this video. I've included the original video in the link. It's called YouTube Hashtags 2022. Why aren't my hashtags working? And this user said, still doesn't work for me. I'm guessing this is another example of Google not allowing access to tools to build a channel until you've already built a channel on your own. And the answer is no, that's not why it's not working. It's not working because they changed it. I made this video in 2022. It is now January 16th, 2024, and they changed how it works, okay? In case you want to check out the original two videos on hashtags above the title, those are included in a link in the description of this video. But let me kind of explain what we were doing here, okay? So as of 2022, you could make a hashtag appear right above your title, just a little blue link up to 3 hashtags. And then people could click on those and it would take them to a category of hashtags. It would get them to show up. If people search those hashtags, you would show up in those lists. So it was kind of useful and it was kind of cool. But you notice it's not there anymore, okay? But you will notice it's right here. See, just above my description, you'll see the 3 hashtags. Okay, now I'm not sure if you can have more than 3. Back in the day, you could only have 3. If you added a 4th one, you would have, they would disappear. It wouldn't show the hashtags here as links. But watch what happens when you click on a hashtag. It takes you to a list of everything about hashtags. So by putting hashtags in your description, you're causing your video to show up.
Good morning, Kurt here with T.
You may cause your video to show up in some of those lists. All right. So in the old video, what I showed you to do was to go in, edit the description, and at the bottom of the description, put up to 3 hashtags, and that used to cause those to show up right above your title. It now causes them to show up right above your description. So option A, you can still put hashtags, and you put them at the bottom of your description. So you do your full description, then at the bottom you put your hashtags. Okay, I'm going to add one more just because I want to see if it lets you do more than 3. It used to only let you do 3. Save it. You put them at the bottom of your description. Save it, and
their AI.
It no longer appears above the title, but it does appear right here. And the answer is no. It does not let you do more than 3. If I click show more, scroll to the bottom, it will put 3. It will put 3 at the bottom of your description, but it will not make those 3 show up at the top of your description. Sorry, it will not make the 4th one show up at the top of your description. This is
Intercom's AI.
Okay. Does that make sense? So if you add them, if you add the description, or if you add the hashtags to the bottom of your description, you can add as many as you want, but only the first 3 will show up above your description, which is handy. Now, what if you want them above your title? You can no longer put them above your title, but you can put them in your title. At the time I made the original video, this didn't work. You had to do it at the bottom for it to show up. So check this out. If I add hashtag and I click save, go refresh my video.
It's the Big Fitness Energy Sale.
You'll see it's got the hashtag right there that people can click on. Okay. Also,
Good morning, Kurt.
Also, you can put this anywhere you want in the title. Before it, in the middle, doesn't matter. Check this out. Save it. Come back, refresh.
Just because your business...
And there you go. I have hashtags wherever I want them. So hopefully that helps. You can now add hashtags. It doesn't matter if you're monetized. None of that matters. You can add hashtags wherever you want. But do pay attention to one thing that I just barely noticed. If I put my hashtags up here, it causes them to, if I put them in the title, it caused them to disappear from the top of the description. That's interesting. I don't know why it does that. Probably so people don't overuse hashtags. Let's do a quick test. If I remove one of the hashtags and click save, let's see if it still lets me have the hashtags in the top of the description. The answer, no. Let's do one other test. It used to be that you can only have 3. So let's see if I remove these 2. So there's a total of 3, 1 in the title and 2 at the bottom of the description. Let's see if it makes them show up. And the answer is no. They don't show up in the above the description. So let's remove it all together from the title. Save it. So now there's no hashtags in the title. Refresh. And they're gone for, or hold on. Did I save? Yeah, I saved. Why is it still there? And they're back. Okay, YouTube, you're crazy. So that answers the question. If you can now put hashtags in the title of your video, right in it, and they'll show up in the title, not above it. You can continue to place them at the bottom up to 3, at the bottom of your description, and they will show up just above your description, so in between your video and your description, right by the date. But you can't have them both places. So if I put even one hashtag in the title of my video, they will not show up in my description, not at the top. They'll still be down here at the bottom if they click and look at the description. Okay, hopefully that helps. Hopefully that helps you use hashtags more effectively and answers your questions about why they're not working or why it's different than the video I made 2 years ago. All right, everybody have a great day. This is Kurt with Teach Mom How. I hope you'll stick around and watch another video. What I really hope though is that you'll leave a comment and ask me a question so I can go out and make another video answering your question. Have a great day.